Hi, this is Alia, and here I am to answer some of your questions.
How would you introduce yourself to those watching from around the world?
Actor, cat lover, proud mother to the cutest daughter, love to sleep, love to eat, nothing in any particular order.
What gives you most joy apart from acting?
I think what gives me most joy in the world is my daughter, Raha.
Which performance of yours brought the biggest change in you?
I think the first film that I felt a significant shift in my personality was the film Highway. Maybe it was because I was on the road for so long, away from home. The first time I really had an experience like that, it was sort of like going away to college, but only my college was a film set. Perhaps after that, it was a film like Urta Punjab, which was a character that made me very uncomfortable. But I think the first and only film that I've gone like method on, where I actually physically shut down from the rest of the world, emotionally shut down for the time period that I was shooting the film. And I think lastly, a film like Gangubai, which I don't think I was the same actor after I walked off that set, only because of the experience it was being directed by Mr. Sanjay Leela Bansali, and you're never the same actor after you're directed by him. Different films at different points in my life have changed a lot inside me, but I'm the same person. It's also you just grow with time.
Was that one movie that you're most inspired by?
I don't think one particular movie has ever inspired me to a point where I think I see beauty in even one amazing shot or like a beautiful frame or one performance or one scene. I feel like there's beauty in art everywhere you look if you're seeking inspiration or if you're seeking something that will just sort of feed your soul. So yeah, I think there's nothing in particular, but if there's one actor just fills my heart with love, that's Shah Rukh Khan.
Which scene of yours from Jigra should be a part of your highlight reel?
The scene where Satya is in the plane, she's eating, it's a one shot. I mean, in the trailer, you see it only for a couple of seconds. In the film, it's a one shot. So I think I was eating for a good minute continuously. Definitely that'll be a part of my show reel. I don't know, it's so layered, but I just also love the fact that it was held for so long and it's the most I've ever eaten for a scene, but I did so very proudly.
Which one of Vedang Raina's scenes stood out the most to you in Jigra?
It's my first time working with Vedang and it's his second film. So what really surprised me was his range. But surprised in a good way because he's really able to commit to the moment wholeheartedly and he's not afraid to give a lot of himself. Like, I don't think he holds back, and that's a beautiful quality in an actor. And he's got something which is, he's not only somebody who sticks only to paper, he's looking for the layers behind what's written. The scene where he's getting lashed, that scene was fantastic in my opinion. And the first time Ankur and Satya meet when he's in jail.
What role has your family played in your journey so far?
I think my family, apart from the fact that they are also connected to movies and were connected prior to me being in the movies, the fact that they understand the way it works, that helps a lot. But apart from that, I think what they really prepped me for is that nothing prepares you for what you're about to be on. Like, you have to have the thickest skin, you have to be very hardworking, and even after getting any sort of accolade or love, you still can't believe that that will stay on forever and suddenly start changing all those things that you worked up to. So if you're the best actor in the room, soon there'll be another actor that will walk into the room that will be better than you. So what you can do is keep the hard work consistent, keep the goodness and kindness to people consistent so they like working with you, and keep that one thing very clear in your mind that there's already somebody better than you. So you have to strive to be the best version of yourself. That's something that I've always been taught growing up, that nothing is fine.
Which film of yours and Ranbir would you want your daughter to see when she grows up?
Yeah, I think for me, maybe Student of the Year, because honestly, it's the youngest, most like chill, like film that kids could watch, and that is my first film. Although I'm not really proud of my performance in that film, but it's full of songs, and I think she would really enjoy that. With Ranbir, maybe Barfi. I think that's a very child. Yeah, but Barfi is good.
What is that one thing you'll never do for a role?
Never say never, but I think there are a few moral lines I won't cross for a movie, because at the end of the day, it's just a movie. Jump off a plane or something for a film because like I'm scared of heights or whatever. I mean, something like that. It means I wouldn't go be too much of a daredevil because you have one life now. Can't do it now. It's for a movie. It's fine.
What do you think the future holds for Alia Bhatt?
Very deep, poignant question. Hopefully, many more movies, not just as an actor, but hopefully also as a producer. More babies, lots of travel, and just healthy, happy, simple, quiet, peaceful, natureful life.
How often do you use IMDb? And what's been your experience with it?
Well, actually, Ranbir and I have movie night, I think, almost thrice a week. If we're not watching shows, we're watching movies. And even if we're watching shows, actually, when we're looking up like new content, the first thing to do is to type that in and check out the IMDb rating. So I think I would say very often, more often than not, IMDb comes into my life.
What is your ultimate goal in life?
I don't believe in goals, I only believe in milestones.
So, is there a milestone you want to achieve?
The thing about having milestones is that you shouldn't be aware of it. They should just come a part of your life and you leave it and move ahead. Neither get too attached to it, neither seek too much from it. Do your thing and hope for milestones. Okay, so it was really fun answering some of your questions. Do not forget to watch Jigra releasing on the 11th of October and leave your rating and review on IMDb. Until then, keep the magic of the movies alive and keep watching movies.